students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square with respect to x and evaluate integration of dx divided by root of 7 minus x square. So to solve this question, first we are supposed to find integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So we are supposed to find this. So to solve this, what we will do, we will substitute x. We will substitute x is equals to a sine theta. That's it. And we can solve this question using this substitution. Let's see how. So if x is equals to a sine theta, means what will differentiate this equation. So dx will be equals to, a is a constant, differentiation of sine theta will be cos theta d theta, correct? So instead of x we will write a sine theta, and instead of d theta we can write a cos theta d theta. So now this integration will become 1 upon root of a square minus a, instead of x we are writing a sine theta. So x square will become a square sine square theta, a square sine square theta, and instead of dx we can write a cos theta d theta, correct? Now we will take a common here, so this will become integration 1 upon a. So a square we are taking common, and a square will come out of root and it will become a, and under root it will be 1 minus root of 1 minus sine square theta, and in numerator we have a cos theta d theta. So a and a will cancel out, and root of 1 minus sine square theta is again cos theta. This will become integration cos theta by cos theta d theta, which is equals to integration d theta. So this will be equals to theta, integration of d theta will be theta. Now what is theta? If you will see this equation, we have assumed x is equals to a sine theta, means sine theta is equals to, from this equation, sine theta is equals to x divided by a, which implies theta will be equals to sine inverse of x divided by a, correct? So this is our integration. So finally we can write that integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square dx is nothing but theta, and theta is equals to sine inverse x divided by a, and since it is an indefinite integration, so plus c, which is integration constant, correct? Now in the question we are supposed to evaluate integration 1 upon root of 7 minus x square dx. So we are supposed to find integration 1 upon root of 7 minus x square dx. So what will be the answer? It will be, see, if you will compare this to, x is same, a is equals to, a square is equals to 7. So if you will compare this to, you will find a square is equals to 7 and a is equals to root 7, correct? A is equals to root 7. That means this will be equals to sine inverse of x divided by a, and a is equals to root 7 plus c. So this is our integration of 1 upon root of 7 minus x square. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.